Get down, man. Kitty, get down. Down, buddy. Get down, kitty. Down, buddy, kitty. Charlie, what my people? Where they go on? Hey, Pedro on them, they catch it. My people, I come right now, I come house. They can't talk. It be my opinion. This one no be hard feelings. So I know they want any bagger wire. Yo, access Suraj, make a change. Make it go on Ayana. Kokani nani. My people, this one no be big talk. It no be any long talk. It be something we can't talk our mind. Abi Ibab. Where you come boko then we go talk on the matter. Abi I tell people say this Thursday I can't do live video. Then we go talk about this Shatawale, this Stonebwoy, them things. You know be say insult, you know be say anything. We always see what they go. Why no say more people they wait. Say Darlington Adams can't talk in my me I go out right now where I come inside. I go do my one or two things. Some see me near Juma. Into me I comfort, I go still around now where I come house. So this is what I want to tell you people. We always see what go on for Ghana. Stonebwoy, Shatawale grant interview, Sarkodie do, Samini do. Before me I go talk. Ghana music industry. We no get Ghana music industry self. For Ghana. There's no Ghana music. See, Ghana no get music industry. It's collapsed. It's dead. Everybody they doing old. Abi Ibab. We know say Ghana susu point they go on that artists know they like them myself. Then they fight them things. We they support anybody. Now we want support good music. But we hear what Shatawale go talk is for radio station say this is where it started thing though. You go talk say Stonebwoy in awards, he collect them things. If they go inside, it be he must for take the award. Why? Because he know they the category inside. That be why Stonebwoy take the award. He talk plenty things. Where he dey talk, people know they get pay well than things. Where he bought. Why I see say Kwakese can't throw video. See, in some way, I dey support Shatawale in some way. Don't my brother make you no ball. In some way, I dey support Shatawale. Kwakese can't do video say Shatawale they undermine people that my work than things. That place, the thing he talk, my people, Momo my friend require and to baby. I could talk the truth. Some years back, that time Glow Camp they sign artists, they sign tiny dems. Glow Camp sign big more artists for Ghana. Me there you will see Kwakese, he go sit for delay in show. Where he undermine all the artists for Ghana where then sign them to Glow or whatever. Say then give them small money. Don't know if he come out, can't show the money where then give them. Them or no obo show or bam no. It be he talk, you know be me my mob. The record they there. Go check Kwakese interview for delay. It be Kwakese start. Before no that time Kwakese they rain. Abodam anywhere you pass. Abodam. He be the king of the street. That time. Nobody. Kwakese be the king of the street. So if you go sit for delay. Where you go undermine people, them out, you go talk shit. He said Omuji, he need the money where then sign them. He play 2 shows, they get that money. If then they like, may they can't tell Ghanaians how much then sign them. Kwakese talk that. What Shatta Wale they do today? Kwakese do some years ago. Me na me boss show na me jibam, me say, and I say, and I come diomu, and I assign omu. So, Kwakese can't talk that thing about Glow. Nobody talk anything. So, why now say, if Shatta Wale too can't they do, you Kwakese, you go come out, you go bore, then you go do video, they undermine people. Master, don't be hypocrite. Kwakese, we will love you, but don't be hypocrite. My friend is quarreling to baby too. So, at my say, don't be hypocrite. And maybe actually, yes, you did the same thing. Nobody talk. The people who then signed them for Glow that time, they have the right to come out, come insult you, Kwakese, but they don't insult you. They have the right to come out, come insult you, Kwakese. The time you come undermine them to Glow sign them, no. They have the right to come insult you. They don't insult you, then leave you. Where you run your mouth, you do whatever you go do. So now if Xylophone can sign Shatta, where Shatta they see say he get money, where he do they undermine, we dey expect some people to come talk, but no be you Kwakese. Masa, so umre atwemo relax, kope baby tina. Enyum no bet my ye. G bam na ojino. You must know say the bam no unji ni sao. You see Shatta Wale the noise they make, it no go make am forever. If I dey lie some years, there's nobody, only Kwakese. Kwakese was the king of the street. Makola women, Nkola young girls, everybody are bought down for Usabo wife drink. Everybody they do. That time Shatta Wale hide. He come with in bandana from Ghana, where he run go high. Somebody say Kwakese no talk so. Massa, go watch delay in interview, or you want make a play the interview show you the way you undermine the people then sign them for Glow. If you don't get fact, I don't come and comment bullshit for my say Kwakese no talk. So go watch back, throw back for delay interview. Jimmy, do your research before you come talk. Go watch Kwakese interview for delay. He undermine people say then sign them chicken change money, then sign them peanut money. By he they collect bam the money where then sign them no. He play show 2 shows go get that money. So Kwakese go talk for delay show. Go watch before you can comment bullshit. So if now Shatta Wale they do so, Kwakese must for sit down then keep quiet. In time pass, he pass. Kwakese, you the person must for blame Hama. Hama of last 2. He must for blame. Okay, Moku put Kwakese inside. Moku come to Stonebwoy, then Shatta Wale in matter. Yeah? Stonebwoy then Shatta Wale matter. Yeah, we always see the interview. Shatta Wale say the awards where they go take give Stonebwoy. It be your own. So if you know the category inside, where then take the awards, they give what? Stonebwoy. Where we always see, which is this year. We see Shatta Wale, you did the category inside. As you did the category inside, where Stonebwoy win. You see, Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale, we will not go show the tension there between these two people. Because Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale, they mean them as self-chair. If you go watch throwback, then go some interview, if it be sound something interview, some lady interview done some years ago, where Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale, they can't fight for the TV top. Why? Because Shatta Wale says Stonebwoy being small boy. Go search him for YouTube. You go see that video. I know the one go inside deep. Abi Ibab. I know they won't go inside deep. Where they interview Stonebwoy the Shatawale, where Shatawale say Stonebwoy be in small boy, where he bought. They nearly fight. Like they can't fight for the TV top, where they separate them, where they put them for different platform. So these people, then them attention, only God knows what it did between the two of them. But we always see Stonebwoy come, he can't talk, you know, he had come, he bought, he talk all this bombo clad, where he talk say if Jamaican Shatawale they go kill him, then things. Master, not be only Jamaica. Oh. If in Ghana self, they go feel kill you. If you step on raw people, them at all. It not be only Jamaica. Oh. Kushtel, I go come there, relax. I go tell you lost in blade inside. You know, be only Jamaica alone you do this way, blah, 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 they go kill. Even Ghana self, you go fuck up with the wrong people. They go kill you. You see, make I show you something. Make I show you something. You see America here, if you they walk away, they claim gangster, somebody go test your gangsterness. That be America life, oh. If you they work for, ask anybody where they America here. If you they work America, you dey America here, where you they claim say you be gangster. Somebody go test your gangstersness. They go somebody he mad. He won't test you say really you the gangster where you they claim you be gangster now. That's why they say these American rappers they do blah blah blah. Then get bodyguard and things. The bodyguard where then get life insurance. So before you go sign bodyguard, Jay-Z them then things, Kendrick Lamar, Drake them no. The bodyguard where then get to know. If the bodyguard if they work, he get life insurance. So if then shoot him today, where he die, then get amount of money they go give him family. You understand? So Stonebwoy then Shatawale in matter no. It be then they know what they worry the two of them. But me, where I get problems small, me I know the true size. Oh. Where I get problems small, be say Stonebwoy say Shatawale talk say he kill his mother. That one between God and man, we all with the watch Shatawale live video. I never see any video. I never see any video where Shatawale say Stonebwoy kill his mother. If maybe he talk behind doors, only God know. I be the Bible that I talk. If maybe Shatawale go talk that matter behind doors to him people, that one it be only God know. But say for we to see on live video, Shatawale talk say me I want that the thing me I want me to ask Stonebwoy, Galaxy no do or Lagazi or whatever they interview am no. You see, Stonebwoy did the way they talk as a presenter no, where the person they talk he must for deal with fact. You go ask Stonebwoy say, when did Shatawale say? Because you Galaxy, you know hear him. You be presenter. You dey follow all this Shatawale, this Stonebwoy, this Samin, everybody. So as Stonebwoy say, Shatawale say he kill his mother. No, as a radio presenter, you did the how Stonebwoy flip out, bombo clat, this. Like you must for ask some say, where you hear him for? Which one be your source? We never hear Shatawale say Stonebwoy kill his mother. Maybe go say I'm behind doors to people. But say to say I'm Shatawale talk in public, we will hear more people. We hear more people. We hear more people they talk. Oh, even the fans have some they tweet. The fans, some they tweet, oh, I see for Facebook self, plenty people they write, say Stonebwoy kill his mother. But for Shatawale mouth, we know here. If you talk on behind door, we know here. If you talk say, Shatawale talk say, that guy he kill Ebony manager, he kill Ebony. That one we all go fee verify, go fee guarantee say yeah we hear for Shatawale mouth. He talk say Ebony manager he kill Ebony for live interview top. But Stonebwoy your own we know here. Where I want ask so if so you Stonebwoy you get that tension for you for your inside though. If you get that tension for your inside, say the way you come, you know, blow up for Lagazi in show under. Why you make it perform? If you know say so this person they talk say you kill your mother. When you Stonebwoy your mother die, you know be today. Oh. Your mother died so many years. Your mother died. It be you them priest go them then things go your mother in funeral. Stonebwoy your mother died. It be you. Then priest go them, you go your mother in funeral. Your mother died so many years. So if Shatawale they talk so, When you get this tension for your inside, you don't want to work with them. Why you make it can't perform for Ashama? That be me, my question. Oh. Me, I know the support side. That be me, my question. My question be say, if that be the tension day you were today, you can't do the legacy show, you explode, boom, time bomb. Why you make the guy can't perform for Ashama? Like him for no make it perform. If that be your tension, me, if you tell me my mother died, if you tell me say me I kill my mother where I come America, or I kill my mother where I get money, where you the person I know say you talk so in my heart, I go feel go sit down talk say you say I come up everywhere where you dey, me I no go deal with you. So if you know say the guy does so, where you say you kill your mother, so why you make it perform for your show when now you go can't date TV top, they explode like that? See, make I tell you Shatta Wale, make I tell you Stonebwoy, it be we the fans we they give you people money. You people know they give us money. Oh. Ghana make hot too, America make hot, everywhere make hot too. So we the fans, we not go fight over you people. We the fans we there no, we not go fight over you people. If you people get problem, make people go fight your own fight. Make them go book arena ring. Make you people go there. By any fans, where you go wake up in the name of Stonebwoy, in the name of Shatta Wale, you go fans. I swear, we go make them go arrest you, put behind bars. You go jail for that. It's Wilfred say, Master, you totally wrong. If he talk that before Asama show, Master, if he talk that, where he talk for? Where? Bring the video where Shatta Wale talk on phone to somebody in your face. Master, don't be a dummy. Talk with fact. What you hear, you know, be say somebody go can't tell you say Darlington they close door. They talk say fuck Stonebwoy or fuck Samini or fuck this thing. Be sensible person. You witness with your eye. Where video Shatta Wale do where in source, it says Stonebwoy kill the mother. Can't show we. That be what we want to know. Come show we. Talk with fact. Don't be a dumb. Or don't be a dumber. Amaberry, if what kind of comment? If Stonebwoy didn't have the rare evidence, which evidence? He should come out with the evidence. Which evidence? That is where Lagazi didn't do his job well to say, where did you hear it from? That is where Lagazi didn't do his job. Stonebwoy don't have no evidence. Anybody where they talk behind door, not in your face, it's not an evidence. Don't listen to he say, she say. Hear it with your own ears. Don't be stupid, say, oh, Abi Shatta Wale, they talk, say you kill your mother to people. Did you hear it? On the day of judgment day, they go ask you what you hear with your ears and with your eyes. You see, that boy you get judged with. Not he say, she say. That be the fact you must do. You people be the reason why the country know they move forward, because you people always there with he say, she say. Let's hear, you must hear with your ears and see with your eyes. So you people be the reason why the Ghana music industry, you know, they go for a coffee, they listen to, oh, I be go there, they talk. You hear him, you see him with your eyes. Maybe the person he can't tell you know they like Shatta. You won't bring fight between the two of you people. Those people, they call them what? Snitch. Anybody will go can't tell you, say, so and so say so. That person is a snitch. So don't be out there say, yes, he talk him. What be your evidence? You have evidence on which platform? Now that they talk, say, as Galaxy, they ask them about the awards. Shatta Wale talk, say, the awards we talk, you Stonebwoy take, it be own. Round one, he get evidence. He go fit play the tape over and over. We hear him. He talk. That's what we call evidence. Not behind closed doors. That's not evidence. So when you talk, talk with evidence. You people are the reason why I know they move forward. They always tell you, he say, she say, somebody said this. If they not go feel say in front of you, they are not. I be the bab. So me, I won't tell you the fans. Those SM and the Beam Nation. SM and Beam Nation. That if you did the way they go for Amabaru, I beg you, don't make a flip go say you no go feature that be his own account. You don't get any evidence. Don't start any bullshit. You know they Ghana. You are not in Ghana. You dey your Czech Republic or whatever. Don't say his old account he said it. There's no evidence that said he said it on his old account. We all will follow Shatta Wale just like you they follow Shatta Wale. We will talk Shatta Wale matter past yourself. So don't come and say on his old account. Don't bring that thing. Don't cause fight. You know they Ghana. Don't cause fight. You people they put shit for thing under. Don't cause fight. You know they Ghana. Don't say on his old account. There's nothing like that. We all will follow Shatta Wale. So that be what they go on. We know they want that kind of things. Yeah, what he talk about that was is bullshit. So me, I don't want to tell them, Ghana hot. My people everywhere hot. We they need money. You all we they need money. So Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale. Stonebwoy say if Shatta Wale be man, make he can't talk for him face. We will not go fight to of Stonebwoy. We will not go fight to of you Shatta Wale. We will not go fight to of Stonebwoy. We will not go fight. If you people no say Stonebwoy say go beat Shatta Wale say go beat Stonebwoy. Make them go book home arena boxing. People go can't pay watch off. Hey, we go sell the fight for pay-per-view. We go. Make them come out there with them a beef and them a chicken, them a whatever. We will not get time for that. So if they support your Beam Nation. Support music. If you don't support Shatta Wale. Don't go fight. Say you go fight. No. Don't go do that, my brother. We don't have time for that. Okay. We see say Shatta Wale tweet about Pui. We could put that matter. Shatta Wale tweet, excuse me, Sako there. He tweet about Pui, aka Ghana Tupac. Now the boy they trend. You know be the trend you the artist way you they do they go do super. The boy still they work for that dirty they on go do song plus the boy make the boy hit. Stop they do that fanfu then super. Go put the boy for studio. Me that boy I go talk about the super boy. Pui they trend now. You see? So I call there you go do that. I don't know if you do that just to get more supporters for Nima or whatever sake of you the Shatta Wale they fight to. So I call them me I don't know the reason why you do that, but it's good say you do that. You don't understand? But so I call them don't forget Awal was there. Nima people don't forget Awal on the mic. He did rap past Pui. What's that called they no do Awal? He can't carry Awal. Recently we say Awal come back to his house. Abi people they see Awal they suffer for there. He tweet Pui. You put the shout Pui. Pui say called hey, my people. I don't know they go use you people, the things go back to Temau. That is where they do super. Don't fool the boy. The time you they wait super, go Nima go catch super. Brush super in teeth, give him white t-shirt. Take super, take go studio, go do some place. The boy make the boy get hit song, make it to get full chop. Till you they do him super. It's still they rap for one Ghana cedis, two Ghana cedis. It's still there. Super can't do me rap. They go give him money. I be the bab. So that be what he did there. Don't make people no fool the boy. Make people clean the boy. They make the boy look neat, put down for studio. They make it rap. They make it to get his song. So because the boy, the rap as patapa. So that be what he did inside. Okay. I know they want to do long video. My short video. If it goes to this, I see say some foolish fool. They call him Lozin Blade. If they follow Shatta Wale, they claim say Shatta Wale being brother. Lozin Blade. I see say I watch your video be where them can't post them. Lozin Blade. Where Lozin Blade? Come on, Quado. Nigga, they look like a frog. Lozin Blade, you can't do video. We want somebody to reply Stonebwoy. It no be you, Lozin Blade, follow back like me for here. We don't want somebody to can't do video, to talk history, to remember people that are pastor. It no be you, Lozin Blade. Lozin Blade, what be your talent? You no get career. Lozin Blade, you can't do video. He dey tell Stonebwoy say, Stonebwoy forget the time he dey follow Shatta Wale, he dey follow this. Hey, Lozzy Blade. You, if they go tell you your history, you go fit sit down. Lozzy Blade, if somebody for SM movement go can't do video to reply Stonebwoy, it no be you, Lozzy Blade. I know that day Stonebwoy get career. He's a boss of Beam Nation. Lozzy Blade, till today, you be following back. Your artist sign under artist. Your artist be captain. Your artist be captain. He sign under artist. Lozzy Blade. Where you two they do follow back for the same artist. Lozzy Blade. You no be Shatta Wale brother. Shatta Wale no be you your brother. You no be any family with Shatta Wale. You forget, you the kind they read histories show people. Lozzy Blade, you make I tell you something. I know say they go invite you make you watch this the Lozzy Blade. Make I tell you something. You, well, the reason why Shatta Wale take you, you, the time Shatta Wale they come Nima, you then Shatta Wale they walk their things. You take Shatta Wale go show your mother. That time Shatta Wale they hung. So your mother they cook small, they give Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale can't get money. If you they take Shatta Wale, they go to juju there. Lozzy Blade, you and your family people. That's what you good at, juju. You they take Shatta Wale, they go juju there. You go do Shatta Wale juju to the extent in mother self. That time you know they take care of your mother. It be your mother way they take care of. That time Shatta Wale can't get money. He take you your mother as a mother. When Shatta Wale mother can they cry, they show you Lozzy Blade, the mother say, make she leave her son, give her so of you Lozzy Blade, your mother so why Shatta Wale they take care of your mother. When you Shatta Wale can't tell your family. Nigga, they look like a frog. You two, you can't sit down for a car inside. You put on glasses with your China phone. You say your phone they make hot. Your phone they make hot. You they can't tell Stonebwoy, say Stonebwoy forget this. Wawa. Here we dey. If you do, I go play your video, give you Lozzy Blade, shege wawa. Here we dey, Shatta Wale sack you. You then die your friend way they still they follow Shatta Wale today. Then sack you where you can't do video. If you play with me, I go show the video dey my WhatsApp. Will you Shatta Wale sack you where you can't sit down, do video. You then that follow back to today, they follow Shatta Wale. You do video, give Shatta Wale so coffee, sack you people. You forget yourself. Lozzy Blade. You forget yourself. Where you today, you Lozzy Blade, they want somebody to reply to Stonebwoy. Stonebwoy get career. Stonebwoy get career. He's boss on his own. So today, can Lozzy Blade can follow you be following back. You be following back till today. You are not a boss on your own. But you too be somebody way then talker. You can't put camera for your top. Wako Lozzy Blade. The America said then bring you people. You then that guy or you give chere where they collect visa give you people. So you fool, if they don't want somebody to come reply to Stonebwoy, it not be you. Lozzy Blade, you don't do it. Like you for no come closer self to that thing. Where you can put camera. So today you are following back. Following back there your DNA inside Lozzy Blade. Yo, you be Shatta Wale following back. Today make I tell you something. If Shatta Wale say he stop they do music, in small money he get, he no go give anybody song. Only he, the in Shatamichi, then that boy way he born, they go chop the money. You Lozzy Blade, I come back you go end up the bag. Check off your artist, captain, he no blow. Then do song, the song no they blow. But how many songs they release? Radio no they play them. Militants, they never get show on their own. Say this be the militant, them show they go do. Never. Only Shatta Wale they get show that they put the militant for top. Only Shatta Wale they get show that they put the militant for top. He never get show before. Join 77 cent. Go watch Shatta Wale's Snapchat. He dey brush Shatta Wale in dog them at teeth. That be a new job. That guy they call him Joint 77 cent. He dey brush Shatta Wale in dog. The new dog where Shatta Wale buy no. He dey brush them at teeth. That be in job. Where you did there, Lost in Blade. They can't talk. Kekuma, you two you can't insult. How? We know the experts. No be you. Make somebody better can insult Stonebwoy. We go understand that. But I know be you Lost in Blade. You know be you Lost in Blade. Then sack you for here. I dey look for the video, my people. Give me some minutes. As then sack him. The video dey my WhatsApp. As then sack him. He then die in brother. Then can't stand. Then do video give. Shatta Wale blah 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 this. Oh. I'm not gonna lie you. I just said the video there my WhatsApp. You go my WhatsApp, you go see him. You people cry. What kind of message is this? Make wanna leave me. Oh, this video, I'm for go down. Last week, I see say somebody can like the video, Oh, I'm not gonna lie you. The video there. As then sack opener. He come there. God damn it. Oh, then do video give Shatta Wale in them brother. You go see. Make people relax. You go see the video. The video dey YouTube self. Where they talk say he be then bring Shatta Wale for where. Don't know they like him again, rare, some bullshit talk. He dey my WhatsApp. God damn it. Don't die, fool. Oh man. You see why I know they like make people they tag me with shit. Too much videos. I'm not gonna lie you. I dey look for the video. I go show you people. God damn it. I posted a lot of shit. This one was like last year something inside though. This fucking video. I dey beg my people. Go my WhatsApp, you go see the video. The video is there my WhatsApp. I do so many videos, so Charlie, it plenty too much. You go my WhatsApp, you go see the video. Ask them sack Lost in Blade. He can't do video. Say be then bring Shatta Wale for what? Then go sack him. He then die in brother. Don't do one today. You too. You get muff. You can't do video. They insult Stonebwoy. Say Lost in Blade. Follow him back. My people, I did come make a search for this video. I know they want to do long video, but I be like my video, it catch 1 hour now. It's like last year something. I'm not gonna lie you. Yo, too much tagging there, too much tagging. People tag me with a lot of bullshit. So you make I know this. This video there my WhatsApp. I'm not gonna lie you. Too much tagging. Too much tagging with people. Too much tagging. Even me say Facebook say I do like 200 and something videos. God damn it. They want somebody talk. I say Lost in Blade, Lost in Wawa. Yeah, the one I use for my wall where I dey search my brother. I'm not gonna lie you. So it's Lost in Blade. Me make I tell you. You if they want somebody make it talk, make it insult Stonebwoy. You never ever in your life. I swear. You they remember Stonebwoy say you know Stonebwoy in past. What? Where pass? Where pass you they talk of? You know Stonebwoy in past. We past you dey talk of Laws in Blade. If they can't talk somebody in past, you go feed there. You to today be following back. You to today, Laws in Blade, till today you be following back. But you did that John say you what Stonebwoy be this that time Shatta Wale do this wow. Who make I tell you something. Who you no get past before? I ask you question. This word is who you no get past before? Everybody get past. In this life, everybody get past. So you did that way they kind of talk say and Stonebwoy you forget them go some show then take Cutlass beat them. Kwasia. That be what Shatta Wale tell you say can't talk. Yeah? Then take Cutlass beat them. That be what Shatta Wale tell you say can't talk. Abi? Can't talk say then take Cutlass beat them. So. That be what they tell you. Wow, come away Laws in Blade. Massa, leave Shatta Wale then Stonebwoy, make them do them a thing. Eh? To me, this boy I go tell you people. If you dey support Shatta Wale, support to Shatta Wale. If you dey support Stonebwoy, support Stonebwoy. If those two people won't fight, we the fans we no go fight. We no get time for them a beef. I say Laws in Blade get in own work. When Laws in Blade get in work? When Laws in Blade get in fucking work? You know Laws in Blade pass we. When he get fucking work, make he sign artist captain, make he promote him. John say Laws in Blade get in own work. When Laws in Blade get in own work? Where we don't know. When Laws in Blade get in own work? He get his own work, make he sign his own artist. Jimmy say Laws in Blade get in own work. No get any shit. He be following back he dey do. Wait still to today. He be following back he dey do. So go tell that your Laws in Blade. If he tell you say can't comment, go tell Laws in Blade say if they reply to Stonebwoy, he no be the man, the correct man to can reply. Tell him he should shut the fuck up. My wife go say shut the keko. Laws in Blade he be following back to today. He no get any fucking job. Whoever tells you Laws in Blade get job, he be lie. Jimmy say Laws in Blade get job. What job he do? You probably have a reply Stonebwoy. You Laws in Blade they can't remember people them are past. Cause yeah, you finish your following back self. Still to today if you follow back you they do. Where you they remember somebody past. Till today, following back you they do. Where they remember some okay, this be the video. Make you listen to the video. This be Laws in Blade, then sack him from SM.
How this whole matter can start.
Mean that.
Sell out from SM. Supposed to say what? America, what? The best. When they talk anyhow. Those who they know the truth know. Those people sell out know the truth. But if you say if they go out with them, they ask them, then they cut them to short hand. Lie to people, but they just with mouth. Me, I never go feel lie on anybody. But I don't make you people understand. My Nima people, me them born me for Nima. Nima go for. After they say
the time they sack him for SM, you see, he them brother do that.
They give us 72 hours. And they like 72 hours. We can go catch my own brother. We no talk. Hey, after people call we they talk to you basa. We don't know how they talk. Hey. Me, I no go feel like human being talk. I know some people ask me. Videos they fly on Facebook everywhere. Then they talk. Some self can Facebook this me, I no talk. But this time I do video because as he said they won't tarnish my image. Just this past Friday, they set up a meeting with me and my brother. We never know.
That be the time they sack them, the two of them for SM. Then can they sell out?
The whole SM people do the respect from Kumasi. We come back go meet him because he send me. You will receipt me. So I know say I go with the intention of meeting him and give him in receipt. I go meet him. We talk. Me say they call him because of issue where they go on between Shatta movement and me. or me and my brother. You are talking, say, oh, me and nobody they fight. Oh. You say, I know the work, we meet I know the fight. Not knowing videos where they fly for Facebook or then they see. So it be like some come where they say, no, now the way they think they can is some way. So therefore, make me sit down and talk. They never find any logical way of even calling a good meeting, but it be set up meeting. Not knowing they say if you come there.
Kwasia, today say them call set up me. That be the time they sack them for SM. I don't go if you play all that video. Me I finish. You lost in play. That be the time they sack you for SM. You can't do video give Shatta Wale. You know they want Shatta Wale for Nima again. Nima be you people your own. Don't do one na Niyama as Stonebwoy go talk. Na Niyama as Stonebwoy go talk again. Na Niyama. Today you this frog. You can't see for live video. Wah. You can't remember Stonebwoy in past. You can't remember Stonebwoy in past. The video them are what up. Go watch the video. We know the talk with no evidence. So the time they sack him, he can't do video. Give Shatta Wale. He say Nima be the Maobi. Then bring Shatta Wale for Nima. You go here for that. Today you be cousin of Shatta Wale. As they sack you can't talk say Shatta Wale they sting. Shatta Wale be junkie. You can't talk Shatta Wale take people go voodoo. Now you can't dare that you today you wah. You they can't sit for video. You they can't sit for video say you they can't tell Stonebwoy. The time he they follow Shatta Wale. Everybody get past though. If they can't talk fact. But if you fool, they can't talk past. This be your past. The time they sack you for SM. Where you can't do video. Say you know they want Shatta Wale again. The video them are what up. We know they talk with no fruit. Go watch. Jimmy. Now where then collect you back. Then sack you. You dey hung. You go catch Adisef. Excuse me, Captain. As Shatta Wale sack you go sign Captain. Where Captain then D Sheriff do song. Then insult Shatta Wale rough. We bombard movement or something. Then insult Shatta Wale. The music there go type Captain or D Sheriff featuring Captain. We scatter something bad man. Then insult Shatta Wale rough. Accommodate you. Where Shatta Wale they go collect you. You they remember somebody in past, eh? You as you insult Shatta Wale, where you go call people, make them beg Shatta Wale. So if you go on, you they hunk. You no get food to chop. You blade, losing blade. Where you go beg Shatta Wale. Where Shatta Wale tell you say, go tell everybody where you insult him. Go beg everybody where you insult him. So you dey work for Nima. Where you dey beg people where you say shit about Shatta Wale to them. You dey tell everybody. Go tell Shatta say I'm sorry. Go tell Shatta today then collect you. Then give you chechere you dey talk. Allah bless you people small. You can't sit down for video. Instead of you to get sense to you losing blade. Why you know said on the day you know be musician. You know get talent. You know get any hassle. If Shatta Wale stop they do music to the only God way go know. Abi people go chop Makuzon be money for Mountain King or Mountain King for UK. Go UK there this time around. They go catch you people. You go see. Abi you can't do live video. You they can't remember Stonebwoy in past. You can't live video. They can't remember. Okay, Slack Movement. That be the title of the song. You they can't remember Stonebwoy in past. And Durunwa and Kotokutwat. Now see you be you this. Your video that come and what up down. Go play. He then that guy that Shatta Bone or Shatta whatever. He did a video inside. You new walk away. Garba them days. They be your people. Go carry them. Garba them. Pui. Now Pui they rain. Go support Pui. That be your Nima people. The real Nima you Pui. Nima is my residence or whatever I talk. If they arrest me, no evidence. Go catch Pui them. Ghana Tupac. Jimmy, they can't sit down about somebody where he they do the music. He did the same level with your boss. He passed your boss self on level when it comes to international level. They can't remember how he passed the time they follow you, your boss. You forget say yourself you be following back. See following back where they can't remember somebody following back issue. Following back where they can't remember somebody following back issue. Hey, you forget yourself. Me, I get past. You see, so me, the hand where you feed me, I know they bite that hand. The hand where you feed me, we no go bite that hand. We no go can't sit down there. Jimmy. Where you did that you got somebody to reply somebody. Master, this be entertainment too. Me, I go fit can live video, can't talk shit where they want. I don't support Beam. I don't support SM. I don't support anything. Me, I get music. If your music good, I dey play. We dey play Shatawale, we dey play Stomo, we dey play Sarkodie, we dey play Kwakese, we dey play everybody. But we go tell you on a man. Kagbo akpoto. Nya gbemi mi be mi ni nya here was yo. Or you put they pay on a bills. Maybe you put they pay on a bills for a year. Or the shadows with the web, you put the buy givers. Nya toto mi toto giante. So Lozin Blade, this be message to you. Me, I know they expect say you self can't talk. If you be Shatawale manager, where you can't talk self, but you follow back, don't do that again. Because you know be so, you want open keys. They go throw you fire, you go run. Oh. They go throw you fire, where you go run. Go support Rude Boy Ranky them. D Sheriff them. Them be your people. Bull Unabi. Where you did that, you they consider Stone Boy you this, Stone Boy you this, Stone Boy you that. Non-fat talking. Your video dey there, your history dey there. Shatawale get your history. Plenty people dey. Me I go fit do next video. Invite those people where you go snitch about Shatawale, give them all. Them all go can live can talk. You don't know who the sheriff said they saw. Master, this is my platform. If you no go feed my platform, talk move. This is my platform. They talk anything. Why they want? This is my platform. I go feel insult. I know ask any small boy to come watch. So if you get problem, don't watch it. Yo, now Sophoria, I see you too. If you get problem, come up for my video top. I invite you here. I invite you here. Mustafa now say, where is your chewing gum? My chewing gum in 4. Shatawale take am chop in 4. So that boy I want to tell you people. My people, me, all I want to tell you say, these people, what did they do? Ghana make hot. We they need money. Milkshake. You see, I do my shake. Me, I dey go drink, then go relax. Ghana make hot. We they need money. No be beef. So Stone Boy then Shatawale, Kwakese then this thing. If you want beef, put on for music inside. Throw shot. You go love that kind of music. Like Milk Mill, Drake them they do. Like Kamikaze from Eminem, Machine Gun Kelly, Rap Devil. You know, we want that kind of energy in the music. Throw fire that way. But if you can't do that, you go do live video insult, you won't fight. No, we the fans, we no go fight too. We will no go fight. We will dey here. Nobody they pay on our bills give us. America we dey. Charlie. Benkel say something say off the TV. Oh my brother, this will be live video. I no go off TV give them. No. The people who did insult me. If anybody they insult me, go watch the person in profile. Samuel Teki say why now you be Tupac. Samuel, no, I don't be Tupac. This way be fashion. Everybody they do. Akpo one money say bro I miss you. General I miss you too. And we don't go off TV give anybody. This way be live. If my post will comment shit, I go off the TV give them. But this one no TV off. Make them watch. Nima Prince on them man. See, make I tell you something. This show is brought to you by Big Sis Barber Saloon. I want to tell you something. Anywhere you dey America here. Especially those people in New York. If you dey New York, go Big Sis Barber Saloon, There, they go twist your hair. They make monkey, they look like antelope. They go shape you. Then they on the Grand Concourse, between 182nd and 183rd on the Grand Concourse. Big Sis Barber Saloon. Google Big Sis Barber Saloon. If you be man or woman, where you know how they braid hair, give me your number. Give me your number on WhatsApp, bro. All right. If you be man or woman, where you know how they, manya de nabo. If you be man or woman, where you know how they cut hair, you know how they braid, you know how they twist rasta. You want job, you want work, make money. You they live in New York, go to Bronx on 182nd, 183rd. Look for Big Sis Barber Saloon. Tell them say Darlington Adams send you. You won't cut your hair. You won't look fresh. Go there. 182nd and 183rd. Between 182nd and 183rd. Big Sis Baba Saloon. Then do your hair. Eh? They go make you look nice. My brother, you know me, I like do video like 1 hour. My video long too much. I dey go. Bernard, I know the one make they understand me, Bernard. Bernard, if anybody understand me, you know go good. You see, some of you understand me, some of you don't understand. Big up to anybody where they support Darlington Nation, Darlington Movement, where they love me from TT. Somebody say Countryman song. What Countryman song do? Charlie, the milkshake, the sweet. The milkshake be banana mixed with milk. You go feel put peanut butter in it. But me, I know they like peanut butter. You don't understand me. You go make my sperm be thick too much. That's what they do. I want fresh cream. Charlie GH, they call you. No shake, inshallah. Last time is the best. I go come GH. Jammy beat on them and Enusu, my brother for Virginia here. You know they link up. Only time you see, they link me up. You say, you see me for video and that. Enusu or One Love. Oh, Men's Gold. Okay, somebody say I don't talk about Men's Gold. Men's Gold. You see, they shut Men's Gold down. We know they love that. But the government say, make the Men's Gold man bring receipt. So they say the man they operate with no receipt. But the man to operate for so many years. We know they see another man fall. But as a good citizen of Ghana, he must for do things in a right way, not illegal way. I be the bab. So Men's Gold, Nana appear. If true say your business be legit, I beg go give them the license, whatever they need. Go give them. I be you bab. And then open the door so we know so more boys invest them money for that Men's Gold inside. So I beg you, Abdul Basi Chambers, I see you. Yusuf Nazif, I see you. You understand? So Men's Gold, please go do that. One love, my people. Anywhere you dey, how you dey drink the milkshake self? It be rough. My brother, we all be family, regardless of our opinion. I know say some people go support what I dey talk, some people no go support what I dey talk. You understand? But that one no dey make us enemy. We are family. Despite maybe you might be a Christian, I might be a Muslim, but we still family. We are all created from the same God. You understand? So we must for love each other. No hatred, no nothing. I go feel insult you, but I still get love for you. I be Ibab. Support good music. Ghana no get any music industry. We are all playing manfra. So may Allah be with you people all. May Allah blessing be upon you people all. May He guide and protect you people all. Anything that will come your way, that will be a burden on you, a big problem that you can't solve it. May Allah solve it and guide you and protect you against that. Wherever your enemies dey, may Allah guide you and protect you from them. Whoever your success is in His hand, he or she, may Allah bring them closer to come and give it to you. And wherever your success is, may Allah take you there. People where they abroad, anywhere in this country, where they want document, may Allah give them. The people to where they get document, may Allah give them, bless them more with good health and everything that they need. You people where they under marriage, may Allah bless you people all. People to where they look for marriage, may Allah give them all. So my brother, so stay blessed and peace be upon you. I don't get no hatred with you. Another time, you go hear of me again. One love, yeah? Respect. Go on my wall. I can't put my YouTube channel. I beg. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to do more videos on the low without coming live. What I go put on my YouTube channel. So I can't post things on my YouTube channel. You get YouTube, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. One love. May Allah be with you people. I'm out. Salam.